Hi, welcome all. Today we are going to look how to work with Azure board using Agile and Scrum process. Let's get started. We are here in customizing team process. So what we will do, we will create an inherited process. How exactly we are going to do in Azure board. So first of all, let me explain you why we have four kind of processes as I showed you. See, when you go to your Azure DevOps, when you click on new project, when you go on advanced, you can see here four type of work item process. So the benefit is there that we can create a customized process in Scrum and Agile, and CMMI system process are locked. You cannot customize this process. The second type, inherited process, you can create from the core system process, and this process in Agile and Scrum you can customize. So all processes are shared. So one or more team project can reference a single process, and instead of customizing a single team project, you can customize a process. So how these changes made this process update all the team project and reference to that process, we are going to look into that. So let's close this. We need to go to here organization setting. Once you click on organization setting, we have something here, board. You need to go to board and we need to click on process. Okay, when we click here, we will get an option. Okay, all these process, and where are we are on a Scrum, right? This template, we are here on a Scrum where we are working. So once we create this inherited process, right, we need to click on this three dot and see create a inherited process. See, uh, uh, once we create this a process that will be inherited either from Agile or Scrum, so the changes will be make, and we can actually do we can add the fields in the PBIs and backlog item, which is designed to track the current project details. And if we are using the Git version, then this Git theme project can be customized until it's migrated to an inherited process. Okay, so here what we will do, we will create on this, click on this create inherited process. Under Scrum, this process will get created. We'll write demo Scrum. You can give the description, click on create process. See, this customized Scrum has been created now. If you click here, see, you can also disable the process or set as a default. What we need to do, we will click in this process. You can also see, we'll just go here. Okay, see, we can see all the work items are there, right, in your Scrum, and in that we have created the inherited process. We want to add a new field now. Either you can click here, see, if you want to edit it or anything, you can do it from here. How we'll create a field, we'll create a new item process. Right here, say ticket ID. You can give a description. You can also change an icon, or you can change the color if you want, and you can click on create. Select the work item type. Okay, that is fine. We will just create. See, in this we have come into the ticket ID under demo Scrum inherited process. Here new field is there, new group is there, new page is there. We can custom that. Okay, let's click on new field. See, we can create a field in that right here, sample. Okay, okay, and we will add this field. We are doing in this definition. Okay, if you want, you can also click this layout. Okay, you can also choose this option. Okay, wherever it is required, as per your project, you will just add. See, sample field is here. If you want, you can also edit or remove. This is how we create the inherited process. If you want, you can remove this. If you want, how you will see this, you just go to your board. See, you can click on new project, click on advanced, click here. See, the demo Scrum inherited, your Scrum process will show here. You can also go to the organization setting, go to board and click on process. See, you can see the inherited process what we have just created. We are going to reference link. Here I have given you, you can move to index if you need to review any slide. And when you click on how to start with the Azure DevOps board, so you will get a login link, and you can click and it will navigate to that dev.azure.com, and then demo generator, it will show you how you can create your Azure boards with Parts Unlimited and Agile portfolio planning and project management. And the other last link I have given for Microsoft Azure DevOps documentation, where entire Azure DevOps details and how we will work on Azure DevOps, all those uh, uh, documentation has been given there. So you can definitely explore this, and it is going to be very helpful. There are 11 parts in Azure DevOps using Scrum process. Kindly watch all the videos. It will be really helpful. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you soon.